Every time the world moves forward, it is always driven by inner conviction. Since its establishment in 1976, experiencing ups and downs, the company has always been sticking to its belief and has become your faithful partner on the way forward. Prinx Chengshan. Prinx Chengshan Shandong Tire Company Limited is one of the leading tire manufacturer in China. After years of development, it has set up a global layout with two major manufacturing centers in China and Thailand, and three major sales centers in China, Europe, and North America. It owns three main product categories of all steel, radial tire, semi-steel, radial tire, and bias tire, and includes four main tire brands, namely high-end brand Prinks, well-known brand Chengshan, Austone, and Fortune under fleets, covering more than 2,400 product portfolio. On October 9, 2018, Prinx Chengshan was listed on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. We have more than 460 distributors globally, covering more than 130 countries and regions in the world, and cooperating with 30 automobile manufacturers, including China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, Jiangling Motors, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, China FAW, SAIC Iveco Hongyan Commercial Vehicle, and Qingling Motors. The sales revenue and volume of all-steel radial tire of Prinx Chengshan ranked among the top 3 in the Chinese market and among the top 5 of China's all-steel radial tire exporters to markets such as Thailand and Malaysia. We treat every process with heart. Prinx Chengshan took the lead in obtaining the IATF 16949 Quality System Certification. The quality control system runs through the whole product life cycle, from design and R&D, raw material selection, production inspection, finished product inspection, to performance road test, all of which are from the persistence of the belief, quality first. Only by respecting technology and maintaining innovation can we win the future. Prinx Chengshan has established a technology R&D system that combines the company's R&D institutions with industry, university, research, independent innovation, and integrated innovation. It has possessed advanced independent product R&D ability and has set up a talents strategic cooperation plan for enterprises, universities, and research institutions with a number of colleges and universities to ensure its capabilities in the fierce market competition. 43 years of industry experience has forged a mature management team. Most management personnel possess more than 10 years of experience in the tire manufacturing industry, which together with the belief in their hearts ensures the quality of every tire they make. In 43 years from establishment in 1976 to being the third largest tire manufacturer in China in 2004. From the establishment of China's first radial tire production line in 1990 to winning the award of the best brand of customer satisfaction in China's tire market in 2006, and to being listed on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in 2018. From China to the whole world, aiming from higher to higher. We have always maintained our original belief. At this moment, please entrust your journey to us. Starting, accelerating, steering, and braking. Not for fame, but for belief. Prinx Chengshan, for every journey.